Hey, it's Greg Hoyt here, and I want to welcome you to my product review. Before we get started, if you're struggling to create an online income, I have good news for you. For a limited time, my 3 successful internet marketing coaches have opened up a few spots for new members who are interested in getting the training they need and have been looking for since they started their online marketing journey. And we're seeing some amazing things in there. This member here got these sales in his first 3 days of joining the group. This member had some more sales. And look at the sales that this member had. So we're really seeing some great things, and I think that it's something that you should think about for yourself. And we're able to ask questions and get answers from not only the members in our group, but from our coaches as well on a daily basis. So if you'd like to work with my internet marketing coaches to help you build your online income up to $10,000 a month, then check out the first link in the description below. Also, I'm offering several nice bonuses you'll get if you pick it up through me. Bonus number 1, we'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus number 2, we'll show you how to rank your videos at the top of YouTube search results. Bonus number 3 will be the Middleman Money course. And this will show you how to be a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus number 4 is how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. I also have several more bonuses that you can check out in the description below. The link to grab the product will be the second link in the description below. So now let's get started with the product review. Okay, the first thing I want to show you is a really great feature, new technology, where you can actually take your profile picture, or any picture of a person, I guess, and turn it into a video, basically a talking head. And you'll notice at the bottom here, these are very common in review videos, presentation videos, that sort of thing. I'm going to show you a clip from this demonstration that'll show you how it works. And while you're watching that, pay attention to this down here, because it'll be basically speaking the script, the video script. And you'll be able to use this for review videos, like I said, presentations, that sort of thing. So without further ado, let's take a quick look at that.
All right, let's do this. So in this demonstration, I'm going to show you what ClipsReelAI does, what it includes and how it works, and how easily you can convert any piece of content, article that you have, a blog post, a website, or an e-commerce page into an animated video with your own talking head added at the bottom of the video or on the top of the video, wherever you want. And what does a talking head mean? So essentially in ClipsReel, when you upload a picture, something like this one, this is a picture of mine I took from Facebook, yeah, you upload a picture and ClipsReel is going to convert it into a video, a talking head video, something like this demonstration, with lip sync and voiceover pre-added to the video with head movement and everything. And it would add it to the video that you are creating with slideshows and everything, and you can just put it inside the video of the ClipsReel. Now let me show you how this works. So let's say we want to convert an
Okay, he's going to go on to the rest of the demonstration, but that's the part that I wanted you to see that we've never really seen before. And I think for people that in particular that are afraid to be on camera, this is a solution right there, at least for certain situations anyway. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. The next thing I want to show you is, here we are on the sales page. It says turn any URL into a traffic getting video with your face, AI animated video in minutes, which is what I just showed you. It's an AI technology that does all the work. You can add your own face as an AI-powered talking head to all videos. No need to be on camera ever. This is a sales video here, and they have some bullet points. It's great for marketers, coaches, online and offline business owners, e-com, affiliates, YouTubers, social media, and more. Turn any URL, blog post, Amazon, Shopify, eBay, Walmart, etc. into a video. Add talking head animation for human touch, which we talked about. No need to record with the camera. Simply upload your selfie to create the talking head animation. Stack your profits by creating in-demand videos quickly. Build profitable email lists fast by offering videos that the market craves. Skyrocket your traffic and sales for affiliate promos using AI-generated videos. No fussing with hard-to-use software. It's newbie friendly. Use this to help generate a ton of leads and sales. Limited time bonuses included at no extra charge. And it goes on through some pretty extensive presentation here. One of the things it doesn't require is long, tedious, boring articles, building tons of backlinks, spending hours on various content marketing tasks, videos that take 2 hours just to create one video, wasting hours on filling out surveys, etc., etc. So anyway, here's the sales page. Here we go. So you can create these videos from any URL, website, any Shopify product, Amazon product, Walmart product, AliExpress products, any copied text. It'll create videos from that. Let's see here. And these are the type of videos that you can create in minutes. E-commerce videos, blog post videos, article videos, website videos, YouTube videos, shorts, excuse me, stories like for Facebook, Instagram videos, TikTok videos, Snapchat, video sales letters, and explainer videos, and the list goes on. Let's see here. Been there. And then the next thing I want to show you is the pricing. So the original initial cost is $65, I believe. These are the upsells here. Looks like to get the unlimited version, it'd be $97 a year. The professional version, $67. The enterprise version, $97. Player Neos Unlimited, $47 a year. And Sonority, $197 a year. And I don't know what those are, but you'll be able to take a look at that if you look at the product further on the sales page. So anyway, I think that's in a nutshell. ClipsReelAI has some very powerful features that you'll be able to use when creating your own YouTube videos, review videos, presentations, and more. And don't forget about that animated talking head feature that turns your profile picture into an animated talking head for your review videos and presentations. That's worth the price of the product alone, if you ask me. Now let's take a look at their demonstration video.
All right, let's do this. So in this demonstration, I'm going to show you what ClipsReelAI does, what it includes and how it works, and how easily you can convert any piece of content, article that you have, a blog post, a website, or an e-commerce page into an animated video with your own talking head added at the bottom of the video or on the top of the video, wherever you want. And what does a talking head mean? So essentially in ClipsReel, when you upload a picture, something like this one, this is a picture of mine I took from Facebook, yeah, you upload a picture and ClipsReel is going to convert it into a video, a talking head video, something like this demonstration with lip sync and voiceover pre-added to the video with head movement and everything, and it would added to the video that you are creating with slideshows and everything, and you can just put it inside the video of the ClipsReel. Now let me show you how this works. So let's say we want to convert an e-commerce page. We're trying to create a video promoting a Shopify store or just promoting some product in the Shopify store. So let's find the URL and let's use one of these. This site, it's a Latvian supplements website. We want to create a video about one of their products that we are promoting or whatever. So let's take this video, yeah, this product. We copy the URL, right click, copy, close it, go here, e-commerce detail, put in a project name, promo video for health, add whatever we want to do with the video, and we copy paste the URL, click next. Now what ClipsReel is going to do, it's going to visit the URL and it's going to start grabbing all the data from the URL, including images, all the text, all the information, the product price, the reviews, the testimony, everything. And then it's going to collect all that data and present it to you so you can add more to it, or you can just convert that data into a storyboard, a video script promoting that exact same product. And as you can see, it has scraped as much data it could find about the product. All this data is here. It's got all this images it has scraped as well. Now what you can do is you can change the country for which you're trying to create the product, or you can just stick with the same country or in the language. Now let's say we want to convert this into English and for US, and we pick a style. We pick from the VSL engaging, promo, informative, fun, news. So let's say we want to do a product review style. So we select product review, and if you want to add more data, more images, more video clips, a demo video for example, we could do that as well. But in this case we're going to click next. Now we choose what sort of video we want for the YouTube, Instagram, or you want for TikTok, Instagram Reel, YouTube Shorts. Let's go with YouTube standard. And then click on next. In the next step, what's going to happen is we get to preview some templates that we can pick. Now you can mouse over and preview all these templates, and we got a lot more templates coming over, and just click next. And in the next step, you can add your own image that can be converted into a talking head. So I'm going to just drag and drop my image over here, and I'm going to include the head movements because I want some head movements, and then I can select how much of the video do I want to have my face doing the talking. So let's say I want to add it to 10%. So again, if you add it to most of the video, it's going to take a little bit longer for it to render because two videos is going to render together. But let's start with a 10%, which is good enough to build trust with the audience. Now what ClipsReel is going to start doing is it's going to start generating the script. So it's going to take all that data, run it through our AI engine, and it's going to convert that data into a video script. And once that script is ready, we'll be able to convert that script into a video. Alright, so as you can see, the script is generated. Next thing we're going to do is click on edit, and we can go through the script that has been created. And if you want to add more to the script, we can add more. If you want to remove something, we can remove. And once that is done, I'm going to click on convert to video. Now once I do this, what's going to happen is it's going to start taking that video and start converting that script into a storyboard, and converting that storyboard into slides, text to speech, adding your talking head and everything, and putting it together for you to preview, modify, edit, and then render and download and share on social media. And as you can see, the video is ready, so we're going to go ahead and customize it if we want to. Now as you can see, the storyboard has been fully created for you. This is the introduction slide that has multiple media. You can see media is from the images that were scraped from the website. As you can see, these are older images. If you don't like something, you can replace it in just one click. And there are multiple slides created with multiple images based on AI, just to make sure everything looks good. If you want to replace something, you can replace that. The blurb that you see here is where your talking head would be. This is for preview only for the moment, and you can resize it and change it and customize pretty much anything and everything you want. You can change the text that you see on the slide. You can change the color of the text. You can change the highlights. You can change and choose from hundreds of fonts. You can increase, decrease the size depending on how you would prefer it. You can change the alignment, pretty much any and all customization that you can think of, you can do it. You can increase, decrease the spacing. You can replace video backgrounds, and you can add more images as well if you want to do that, like this. Or if you want to remove something, you can do that. Full customization. You can add a background music. You can add text to speech using AI in multiple different languages and accents. You can upload your own voiceover. You can upload your talking head picture that would be added here as a talking head. You can include, enable, disable head movements if you want. You can change between the transitions, the animations, and you can also change the template layout and style. So the template that you've selected, you can switch that, or you can switch one of the sub templates in that main template. If you don't like the layout of that one, you can change that entirely and have everything moved around. You can add your logo, watermark. You can decide how much volume of the voiceover and music you want, and how much you want the intro and outro if you want to add those. And once you've customized it to your heart's content, all you have to do is preview it if you want to, and you get a live preview of the video right away without even rendering it, so you can see how it all looks. And if you're ready, just click on render and the video will start rendering. And as you can see, the rendering is done. It was super fast. And now we can either download this video or publish it on Facebook, YouTube, or through any of the other Reel apps integrations that you can find in the integration tab. Now, if we want to preview this, we can just download the video and open it. And here's the output. If we play this, this is how it's going to look. You can increase and decrease the talking face. You can have different images, video clips, and it looks like a selfie video where you're actually presenting the video. So that's what ClipsReel does. If you have any questions, if you need anything at all, please feel free to reach out to our support team. We'll be happy to help you. Cheers.
Okay, we're back. So the product looks like a great value that will save you a lot of time and money. The link to grab the product will be the second link in the description below. And remember, if you'd like to work with my internet marketing coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month, then be sure to click on the first link in the description below. And don't forget my exclusive bonuses if you purchase the product through me. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye.